Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to play Orange RV. So anyways guys, if I'm to my video so do not make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, this is the fruit of RV I guess. So anyway, so we're going to beat that game. So instantly. So I'm going to beat this game for a while. So anyways, I beat the entire game without this with the player I guess. So anyways guys, we're going to leave at a player. So that is good guys. Okay, so oh my god. Wait for me, guys. Come on, we're going to almost there, guys. Okay, so otherwise, guys, we're going to touch the checkpoints. I think is what I just one and don't. This is the annoying orange, but they look silly to me. But I just watch annoying orange, guys. The custom is the annoying orange will be funnier, guys. Okay, so otherwise, we're going to just see annoying orange, but there's an apple there. It looks like apple, but I don't know what sure is. Like that then. So otherwise guys, okay. Okay, so otherwise guys, we're going to just beat this game. What? Wait, I forgot to be late, I guess. Okay, well there's so many skulls there. Okay. I need to beat that game. Oh wait. Oh this girl Well, oh wait. Huh? You girl I love you Or else I will beat you No! Where is so red? No. No. No, please. Because I think they keep on AFK on her, so ignore. No! It's not time. No time. Do not, no. No. Heck no. Heck no, huh? Or else. Please. Okay, plus. Another plus. Another plus. Plus. It's orange plus, I guess. So another plus, I guess. So anyways guys, I need to beat her quickly. So she will not get Trump. Okay, no one's here. So anyways guys, bro, keep on falling. No, I'm going to cheat. Let me cheat. Okay, let me cheat again. Or I will just cheat on purpose, I guess. Come on. Where's her guys? Where is her guys? Let me know in the comment section about this part guys. Okay. So only got 21 or still. Okay. It's her again. Okay, so I'm slow. You have to play that. I don't know what. So anyways guys, we're going to see her. Where's her? Hey, where's her about this? Come on. Tell me, where is her? Tell me what is her guys. Okay. Let me know in the comments guys. Oh my god, what the hell? Oh, hello mystery girl. Hello, can I help you? Can I help you today? My name is a girl. Oh my goodness. My name is a girl. Yes, I know. Oh my god, 26. 26 states, guys. I sing as a girl. Okay, this is my beautiful girl. 3 seconds, I guess. 3 seconds. Okay, so these 3 seconds I think is, but anyways guys, we're going to just beat this game for instance. So the dark white orange is gonna be a yellow or just a melon. It's probably a melon I think. Or a mango. Oh my god. Who's that girl? Who's that annoying girl? Hey, what are you doing now? Hey, you're going to beat me? Okay. I'll beat you. What? Why? Random. Oh wait, a random. No. We. Please. No. Oh my god, how? Go, please, go, please. Go. 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 Look at her. She's so cute. Look at her. Help me. Hey. Hey, you silly girl. I'm going to call you up. This is my beautiful girl. my beautiful girl. This my beautiful girl. This girl. This my beautiful girl. I can't say this is my beautiful girl. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is my beautiful girl. This is my beautiful girl. This is my beautiful girl. This is my... No, I'm going to leave. Girl. This is my beautiful girl. This is my beautiful girl. Please. Please, it's my beautiful girl. This is my beautiful girl, please. My beautiful girl. Na, 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 na. I need to wait for her, guys. Girl, this is my beautiful girl. This is my beautiful girl. This is my beautiful girl. Please, it's my beautiful girl. Mama, please. This is my beautiful girl. 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 Please, I keep on saying that, guys. Sorry, guys. Okay, so anyways, guys. Oh my god, guys. I think she is so fun. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I need to. No. No, it's no time. No time. No time. I need to. This. Oh, wait. No! Wait. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. My beautiful girl. Help. Help me. No, please. Please, girl. Girl, I love you. Oh my god. Nothing. Oh my god. Please, my beautiful girl. Please, my beautiful Please, my beautiful girl. Please. My beautiful. Please. Come on, guys. It's my beautiful girl. Already. I'm a beautiful girl. Girl. This is my beautiful girl. This is my beautiful... Go, guys. Go. Oh my god, she will get faster. Girl. Hello. Oh my god. This is my beautiful girl. This is my beautiful girl. Please. I wanna be your beautiful girl. Hey. Oh my baby, a baby. No. No. Oh my god, stop lagging. Stop falling. This is my beautiful girl. This is my beautiful girl. No. Please, I'm sorry. Please, another chance. Please, another chance. Please, another chance. Okay. Let's wait for her. Okay. Come on, girl. Girl. This is my beautiful girl. Hey. Hey, please. This is my beautiful girl. Oh, it will take the... Bro, come on. This is the beautiful girl. Why? Okay, so anyways, guys. Okay. I think she is left, guys. So anyways, guys, I need to meet her. A beautiful girl. Let's troll her, okay? Okay, let's go to this. Okay, so anyways, guys. Come on, okay, so anyways, guys, we'll end up there. So anyways, guys, watch my video channel, like, subscribe. So anyways, guys, like and subscribe. So goodbye.